Hey guys, it's Cook Step by Step. Today we're making a blueberry lemon pound cake. So first up, we'll need 2 cups of flour, sifted through, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix it all together. And here we'll need 2 eggs in a separate bowl, 1 cup of yogurt, 1 cup of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, and half cup of lemon zest, half cup of oil. Mix it all together. Oh, it smells so amazing. That lemon is just amazing. Here we have our blueberries, and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix it up so it's all coated. This will help the blueberries to not sink. And now I'm adding my wet ingredient with my dry ingredients and just mix it all up gently because you don't want flour all over your kitchen. So this is what it will look like. And I'm gonna add half of the blueberries and just mix it all up very gently. And a half tablespoon of homemade vanilla extract. This will give a really nice flavor to it. I oiled up my pan and I will just put it all in there. Now that is all in, I'm gonna add some blueberries, the rest of the blueberries on top, and just mix it a little bit in so it sticks in its place. I'm gonna bake it at 350 for 50 minutes. I know it's ready and perfect. I put it to the side to cool while I got 2 tablespoons of lime juice and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and I'm gonna add powdered sugar 1 spoon at a time until it thickens up. If you like, you can make it even thicker, but this is the perfect consistency for me when it comes to icing. And now that it's cooled off, it's very important that it's cooled off. I'm gonna layer the icing on it. If your pound cake is still hot, the icing will all just melt and drip off. I want it to cool as fast as it can once it's on top. And I put it on the racket so the excess drips off. In a couple of minutes, it's all dried up and it's ready to cut up and eat. Ugh, that looks so good. And this is the inside. As you can see, it cooked thoroughly, very nicely, and it's still very soft. Perfect for a late night snack with a hot cup of tea. I hope you like this video. Do try it out. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys next time.